Hello and welcome to another episode where we talk about the wondrous world of Italian wine. In this video, we'll explore the new Italian winemaker scene and highlight some key players shaking up the industry. Italian wine is a cultural treasure and an industry that has been growing and evolving for centuries. The country is known for its diverse grape types, ranging from the iconic Sangiovese to lesser-known varieties like Aglianico and Vermentino. Over the past few decades, a new generation of Italian winemakers has emerged, pushing the boundaries of traditional winemaking practices and bringing new perspectives to the industry. In recent years, a new wave of Italian winemakers has emerged, driven by a desire to break away from the traditional methods that have dominated the industry for centuries. These winemakers are exploring new grape varietals, experimenting with winemaking techniques, and embracing sustainability in a way that is transforming the industry. One of the key drivers behind this new movement is a growing interest in natural and biodynamic wines. These wines are made using organic or biodynamic farming practices, with a focus on minimal intervention in the winemaking process. By eschewing the use of chemicals and additives, these wines are believed to better reflect the unique terroir of the vineyard and the character of the grape varietal. Another factor driving the rise of the new Italian winemaker scene is a growing interest in lesser-known grape varietals. While Sangiovese, Barbera, and Nebbiolo have long been the stars of Italian wine, there is a growing appreciation for varietals like Aglianico, Nerello Mascalese, and Pecorino. These grapes are often grown in less well-known wine regions, giving winemakers the opportunity to experiment with new terroirs and winemaking techniques. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key players who are driving the new Italian winemaker scene. Elisabetta Foradori. Elisabetta is one of the most well-known natural winemakers in Italy. She is best known for her work with Teroldego, a grape varietal that is native to Trentino in northern Italy. Foradori has been instrumental in elevating the profile of Teroldego, which was once considered a simple table wine. Her wines are made using biodynamic farming practices, and she uses traditional winemaking techniques like aging in clay amphorae to produce complex, nuanced wines. Arianna Occhipinti. Arianna is a Sicilian winemaker who has made a name for herself by championing the Nero d'Avola grape. Her wines are made using natural methods, and she has become known for her use of amphorae in the aging process. Occhipinti's wines are characterized by their intense fruit flavors and minerality, and she has been credited with helping to bring attention to the lesser-known wine regions of southeastern Sicily. Elena Pantaleoni. Elena is the owner and winemaker at La Stoppa, a winery in Emilia-Romagna. She is best known for her work with the Malvasia di Candia aromatica grape, which she uses to produce a range of wines, from sparkling to still. Pantaleoni has been a vocal advocate for natural winemaking practices, and she has been instrumental in bringing attention to the lesser-known wine regions of Emilia-Romagna. Gianmarco Antonuzzi and Clementine Bouveron. A husband and wife team behind Lacoste, a winery in Lazio. They are known for their work with local grape varietals, such as the Prosecco grape, and for their commitment to natural winemaking practices. Antonuzzi and Bouveron use minimal intervention in the vineyard and winery, and they have been instrumental in raising the profile of the Lazio wine region. Andrea Cervini. Andrea is a winemaker based in the Alto Adige region of northern Italy. He is known for his work with the Schiava grape, which is native to the region. Cervini's wines are made using natural methods, and he has been credited with helping to revive interest in this once popular grape varietal. Marco Palantai. Marco is the winemaker at Castello di Arma, a winery in Tuscany. He is known for his work with the Sangiovese grape, and his wines are characterized by their elegance and complexity. Palantai has been a vocal advocate for sustainable winemaking practices, and he has been instrumental in bringing attention to the lesser-known Chianti Classico subzone of Gale in Chianti. Silvio Messina. Silvio is the winemaker at Montesecondo, a winery in the Chianti region of Tuscany. He is known for his work with the Sangiovese grape, as well as lesser-known varietals like Canaiolo and Colorino. Messina uses natural methods in the vineyard and winery, and his wines are characterized by their depth and complexity. The new Italian winemaker scene is an exciting and dynamic movement that is transforming the industry. Winemakers like Elisabetta Foradori, Arianna Occhipinti, and Elena Pantaleoni are pushing the boundaries of traditional winemaking practices, while also bringing attention to lesser-known grape varietals and wine regions. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or just appreciate the art of winemaking, the new Italian winemaker scene is definitely worth exploring. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our new book release, The Italian Wine Connoisseur, now available in Amazon.